Good morning, students. How's life today? I hope you'll always be happy and healthy in this situation. So we cannot blame the situation even though we cannot meet face to face, but we still can meet in this virtual class. Yeah, I have introduced myself in the last meeting and I hope you still remember me. Then before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, I think the class is complete today. And there are 30 students in this class, right? Very good. Well, before we talk about our topic today, I have a questions. So, have you ever had a contrasting idea? Pernahkah kalian mempunyai ide yang bertentangan? For example, today it's my busy day, but I still spend my time to learn English. Hari ini adalah hari sibuk saya, tetapi saya tetap menyempatkan waktu untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Nah, dari contoh tadi, apakah ada yang tahu what is topic that we're going to learn today? That's right, we're going to learn about contrast. Today we will move to the next chapter, chapter 5, about linking words of contrast. Jadi, hari ini kita akan membahas tentang kontras. Apa sih kontras itu? Kontras itu perbedaan, ya. Seperti contoh yang sudah saya sampaikan tadi, there are two contrasting ideas. Ada dua pendapat berbeda, tetapi diberi kata sambung yang disebut linking words. So we're going to learn about linking words of contrast. Today, it's my busy day, but I still spend my time to learn English. Hari ini adalah hari sibuk saya, tetapi saya tetap menyempatkan waktu untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Can you guess what is the linking word in this sentence? Yeah, that's true. The linking word is but. But adalah salah satu contoh dari linking words of contrast. The other linking words are however, nevertheless, nonetheless, while, whereas, unlike, on the contrary, on the other hand. Kata-kata tersebut mempunyai arti yang sama, yaitu meskipun, walaupun, bagaimanapun, tetapi, namun, sedangkan. Kata-kata itu semua digunakan untuk menyambungkan dua ide yang berbeda. So, for more explanation, I'm going to explain from the slides. Okay, for the first, the purpose of the linking words of contrast, yaitu to connect two ideas, yaitu menghubungkan dua ide. Sedangkan kontrasnya di sini yaitu to compare similar aspects of two different people, things, or situation. Jadi untuk membandingkan dua aspek yang sama dari dua orang yang berbeda atau dua subjek yang berbeda. Subjeknya di sini bisa orang, benda, ataupun situasi. Okay, you have already known about the definition and also the function of linking words. Okay, we will move to the next linking words. For the first linking words are but and however. Let's see the examples. Okay, for the first linking words are but and however. But, jadi bentuk form dari but ini yaitu subject plus verb plus object plus but plus kalimat yang mempunyai arti kebalikan atau arti yang berbeda ya. Contohnya yaitu John has a lot of money, but it cannot buy anything. John mempunyai uang yang banyak, tetapi uangnya tidak bisa untuk membeli segalanya. You can see di sini kontrasnya yaitu subjeknya berbeda. Subjeknya seperti yang kalian bisa lihat, subjeknya yaitu John dan it. It ini refers to money-nya. Dan letak but yaitu di antara dua frasa. But-nya selalu ada selalu in the middle of a sentence. Ada di tengah-tengah. Dan sebelum but selalu diberi koma. Oke. Next we will move to the however. So however ini formnya yaitu subject plus verb plus however plus a sentence that has an opposite meaning. Sama ya. Bentuknya sama seperti but. For the example, Jane studies hard. However, the score is not good. Jane belajar dengan keras. Tetapi skornya tidak bagus. You can see the differences. The subject is different, Jane dan the score. Dan letak however sama seperti but tadi di tengah, tapi ini sebenarnya however ini letaknya di awal kalimat setelah titik ya, sedangkan yang but tadi setelah koma. However selalu at the beginning of a sentence, kemudian diberi koma. Okay, it's clear, right? Now we will move to the next example of linking words. There are nevertheless and nonetheless. Please take a look to the example. Okay, the second example of linking words of contrast, there are nevertheless and nonetheless. Okay, nevertheless, bentuk formnya yaitu subject plus object plus nevertheless plus a sentence that has an opposite meaning. Jadi nevertheless ini lebih sama seperti however ya, sama seperti however. You can see from the example, I love London, nevertheless the weather is bad. Saya cinta London, tetap meskipun cuacanya buruk. You can see the subject is I dan the weather. Sedangkan letak nevertheless at the beginning of a sentence sama seperti however, letaknya di awal kalimat setelah titik, dan setelah nevertheless selalu koma. Oke, next, nonetheless. Bentuk form dari nonetheless ini yaitu subject plus verb plus object plus sentence that has an opposite meaning plus nonetheless. Letak nonetheless selalu berada at the end of a sentence. You can see from the example, I go to school, it is raining nonetheless. Saya pergi ke sekolah, meskipun ini sedang hujan. Subjeknya berbeda kan, ada I dan it, sedangkan letak nonetheless yaitu di akhir kalimat. You can see the differences between nevertheless and nonetheless. No questions? Okay, for the next example of linking words, there are while, whereas, and unlike. Let's see the examples. Okay, next are while, whereas, and unlike. Kalian bisa lihat perbedaannya dari contoh berikut. The first while, bentuk form dari while ini yaitu subject plus verb plus object plus while plus a sentence that has an opposite meaning. While, whereas, unlike ini artinya yaitu sedangkan. Dan bentuk form while ini sama seperti but. Dia berada di tengah-tengah kalimat, in the middle of a sentence. You can see from the example, I like swimming, while my sister prefers jogging. Saya suka berenang, sedangkan kakak perempuan saya lebih suka jogging atau berlari-lari. Jadi kalian bisa lihat subjeknya yaitu berbeda, I and my sister, dan letak while ada di tengah kalimat setelah koma. Bagaimana dengan whereas? Bentuk form dari whereas ini sama seperti while, sama, letaknya di tengah kalimat ya. Whereas sama while sama. You can see from the example, my mother likes cooking, whereas my brother likes eating. Sama. Ibu saya suka memasak, sedangkan kakak laki-laki saya suka makan. Ya, oke. Bagaimana dengan unlike? Bentuk form dari unlike ini yaitu subject plus verb plus object plus unlike plus subject atau noun. Jadi unlike ini berbeda dengan while dan whereas. You can see from the example. My friend is very patient, unlike me. Teman saya sangat sabar, berbeda dengan saya. Begitu artinya. Jadi setelah unlike itu bukan sentence tapi subject atau noun. Dan subjeknya di sini berbeda kan, my friend dan me. Jadi unlike itu terletak setelah koma, dan setelah unlike yaitu subject, bukan sentence. For the last example of linking words of contrast, there are on the contrary and on the other hand. Take a look to the example here. Okay, last linking words, there are on the contrary and on the other hand. Bentuk dari on the contrary yaitu subject plus verb plus on the contrary plus a sentence that has an opposite meaning. Tetapi ini lebih ke itu ya, berbeda orang. Mengatakannya yaitu dengan berbeda orang. For the example, orang pertama dia mengatakan, I suppose the movie was not interesting. Saya berpikir kalau film itu tidak menarik. But kenyataannya yaitu ada di speaker 2. On the contrary, sebaliknya, movie-nya sangat fantastic. You can see the subject is different, I and it. It refers to the movie. Jadi ada dua orang yang mengatakan. Orang pertama mengatakan that's not true, the fact that's not true, sedangkan orang kedua yaitu mengatakan sebaliknya, kenyataannya. Next, on the other hand. Bentuk formnya yaitu subject plus verb plus on the other hand plus a sentence that has an opposite meaning. Berikut adalah contohnya. She still loves him, but on the other hand, he treats her very bad. Dia perempuan tetap mencintai dia laki-laki. Meskipun sebaliknya, dia laki-laki memperlakukan dia perempuan itu sangat buruk. You can see the subject here, she and he. It's different, right? And letak on the other hand yaitu ada di tengah-tengah kalimat, in the middle of a sentence. Okay, students, any questions so far? No question? Okay, now let's recall our material today. I will give you a question. What is the function of linking words of contrast? Ya, untuk membandingkan dua aspek yang sama dari dua subjek yang berbeda. Good. So, how many linking words that we have already learned? 9. Okay, mention it. But, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, while, whereas, unlike, on the contrary, on the other hand. Yeah, that's great, class. I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining the class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. See you next meeting. Kelas safe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.